There are more than 200 types of remotes for Hyundai Kia vehicles manufactured after 2018. How can locksmiths accurately generate remote control program types? Today I will share a practical method and demonstrate it for all technicians. Required tools: a mobile phone, a Keydiy X4 device, Keydiy key, and the original vehicle key. Click IMO programming. Select Hyundai. Click Select from Vehicle. Click Europe. Click Elantra. Choose the corresponding production year. Pick any available type. Click Identify the key and generate. Place the original vehicle key on the induction area of the Keydiy X4 device. Put the blank key to be matched on the induction area of the Keydiy X4 device. Generation completed successfully. Proceed to vehicle matching now. The PIN code was entered previously and auto-saved, so no re-entry is needed. Follow the on-screen prompts to continue the operation. Tap OK to move forward. Press the original key against the start button and hold for 5 seconds. To program an additional key, repeat the above steps. Matching finished successfully. Test the remote control functions. The vehicle starts normally. Test lock-unlock by walking near and away from the car. Lock and unlock functions work properly when approaching and leaving the vehicle. Test the trunk release function. All functions operate normally. Job completed.